YouTube. I didn't see you there. Hello. What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Chance Trades here. That was a crazy intro. We'll just keep it. Alright. Plain and simple. I lost $80 today. I traded yes. That was kind of interesting day to trade. First off, we got all the war news, like Iran, Israel, all that fun stuff. Big one was Powell speaking today. He had like a little testimony type shit. I don't really know. He was speaking. We do not trade when Powell speaks, except when the trade is there, which I thought it was kind of there. We'll start off super simple, right? So, it ripped yesterday. Price just ripped, right? So, I was obviously bullish today, right? I thought that was going to continue, and it has. On the 1 hour, super similar. Coming in market open, it looks like we were bearish, but we were still bullish. We were still maintaining bullish structure. So that put me on the 5 minute. A lot of shit on this chart. We don't really got to worry about all this shit. I wasn't gonna trade till 8 today. Just because Powell was speaking, didn't want to trade before then, get in trade and lose. Funny enough. So, anyways, there's that. There's a lot of shit on this chart. Price came down, swept out this 1 hour liquidity. That was my liquidity sweep. Price came up. Broke structure right here. This candle right here, this 5 minute candle. It also inverts this 5 minute fair value gap too. So order flow, right? We got liquidity sweep, break a structure. We got inverse fair value gap, right? Price is trending in the way that we want it to go. Super good. We come and push into this fair value gap right here, equilibrium. From there, just looking for a 1 minute entry. Let's see. Let's get this shit off. So, what I had highlighted is where I should have traded. Price doing some weird shit, right? So if we just take this move right here, actually take this whole move right here. It's gonna be really hard to tell because I just changed my settings for a different chart. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. But essentially, price broke structure without breaking structure in the 1 minute. How my strategy works, scale in, right? So you get 1 minute liquidity sweep, not 1 minute, holy shit. 1 hour, 5 minute, 15 minute, depending on whatever time frame that I'm on. Break a structure, and then a third confluence on that time frame. So it's the 5 minute time frame. So we had a fair value gap, equilibrium, all that fun shit, and a break a structure, right? So we get all that, and then we get a break a structure in the 1 minute. I didn't really see it right here, so I didn't enter until I saw the break a structure, which I don't know. I saw this, and I think I was a little bit too trigger happy. I kind of just bought. I filled somewhere right here. Take profit, which is this high that was from the morning, from pre-market, or not pre-market, sorry, formed in the start of the market, right? Whatever, maybe. It's a 1 hour high. Don't worry about that, but instantly got stopped out, and my move happened, right? The move that I wanted happened. Why did I get stopped out in this trade? Let's see if I go back. Oh. Shit, can I go back to the other box? I didn't. Okay. This is where I entered. If I would have entered off that 1 minute, fib right here where I thought it was a break of structure. Basically, all that is, if you use equilibrium, which is the middle between a high and a low, right? So, the easy way to explain it. I'll go to the 5 minute. I'll show you this 5 minute equilibrium. Okay. Low, high, middle is the equilibrium between both of them. Super easy. In reverse too, let's say right here, going down. High, low, equilibrium be right here in between whatever move it is, right? You have to have a high and a low, which it takes 2 candles to form, right? Anyways, right here, fib, is if it basically gets to a point in equilibrium where it doesn't break structure. If I can talk, holy shit. Um, it basically, it's as good as a break of structure. You can assume that it's going to break structure. That's what I should enter it off of right here. This would have been the ideal move. Enter off this candle. It was just kind of a big fill, but I could have ran this up, right? So, it is what it is. We learn. We grow. Great things are to come. Go check out the Insta. It's going to be Riddle Chen Trades, Sims YouTube. This trade recap is on there. Other ones are on there too. I post all my activity too. If I'm gonna trade, not gonna trade, that type of deal. So you can go check that out. I want you guys to take a peek. Just like real quick. This is a little like blooper, right? Like I'm trying to change it up. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the plain, simple stuff that I've been doing for a while, or maybe something a little different, right? You can use like, oh shit, bro, where the, yeah, get like some greens in there, some stuff like that, right? I don't know. All right. Well, I'll see you guys later this week, hopefully. Peace. Have a good day. Bye-bye.